Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 15. Yes, so I'm a little bit low on energy. It's really early in the morning, but I'm gonna wash my hair today. Actually going now into the bathroom to wash, deep condition, and all of that stuff, and then come back to blow dry it and everything because I'm gonna start my braiding hair process today. So I'm gonna wash the hair, wash the hair, decondition it, do all of that stuff, and then come back to blow dry it. So once my hair is washed, I'll come back and then y'all see the process that I go through before blow drying and then when I blow dry it. Okay guys, so it is a little bit later in the day. I don't even remember what time it is. Where did I put my phone? I have washed and washed my hair, put in all the products and stuff I put in there. I also use my blow dryer and just blowed it out just to get out like that, you know, extra water out there. And now I'm going to straighten it a little bit. I have like this little blow dryer brush straightening thingy that I had like years ago, so that is what I normally use to, like, you know, blow out the hair. It doesn't straighten it completely, it just blows it out genuinely. So that's what I'm gonna use for the hair. As you can see, it's up in the bonnet and everything, but that is not washing the hair and something there wasn't really what took the most time. I was editing and some stuff after that, so that's what kind of took up my time. But right now is a good time to do it, so I'm gonna take it off. So this is me with 4 plaits in my head. I look like a little girl from Polar Express. Anyways, so what I do now, I have the brush, you know, getting warm over there. So let me just, if you hear anything in the background, mom is watching a video I have just edited, so that is what she's doing. So that's one section here. I also have my comb and my brush and stuff, and I have my laptop that one side. I'm gonna be watching a movie while I do this because this is gonna take some time, which I can't deal with sometimes, but it's gonna take a little time. So my hair is already, it has all the products that it's supposed to have in there already, so it's all moisturized and stuff. I just do that. So I go in 4 sections. I could go in 6, but I just work in 4 sections. I've always worked in 4 sections, so I'm just gonna continue with my 4 sections. And this is the portion that we're going to start off with. I also have a brush here. Let's brush it out. Anyways, so this is it. Like, you know, straighten it up a bit. And I'm literally going to do my whole head like this, and that's gonna take some time. So once I'm done fully with it, then you guys will see. So I'm finished with one side. I'm finished with like half of my hair so far, and this is what we have. So this is what I was talking about when I said that my ends, when I tell you that my ends aren't even done properly right now, but I can't bother because they're never going to come out where I want them to unless I like straighten them or something of that sort. I have really thick ends, which is, I don't know if that's uncommon or weird, but I just have really thick ends.
so it takes a little time to really get the ends how I want them to, but this is not bad. This is okay so far. I'm gonna do the next side, but I'm gonna pause and then I get into the next side. It is now 2:23. When did I start back? I started back 2:11, if I'm not lie. Yeah, 2:11 I start back. It's 2:23, so that took me about 12 minutes to do this side, which is fine. And I'm here watching my movie. At 2:12 I start? At 2:11 I start? I think it's 2:11 I start. I'm not sure. I think it's 2:11, but yeah. So I'm watching my movie and doing what I'm doing while I'm doing this. So once I have finished the next side and everything is all finished, then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I finished doing both parts of my hair now. I'm so greasy. Anyways, I finished doing both parts of the hair now. So this is what we got. I tell y'all, my ends are so hard to straighten out, but it's alright. It's okay. If you see any little color at the end of this, it was when I had dyed my hair some time ago, and when I re-dyed it black, when I re-dyed my hair black, or when I dyed my hair black I should say, it didn't really take some parts of the hair as well as I hoped it would, because I'm guessing I didn't leave it in long enough or so. But it has a little reddish tint down there because my hair was like not really red, but kind of like how it's a burnt orange kind of look thing. So because of that, my hair just never took the dye correctly, I'm guessing. I don't know, I mean, I guess so. Anyways, after I finished both sides, I'm gonna flat twist each side once again. Yeah, then we can't part here, cause when we part it and yeah, so I'm gonna flat twist each side now, and then as I said, I have really thick hair. I don't have, like, since I've been like properly growing my hair and such, my hair might not be the longest, but I don't necessarily want my hair too long either. There's a cutoff point as to where I want to grow my hair to, and if it passes that, I will just cut it. But I don't want my hair past a certain length because my hair is very thick, and managing it on my own is not the easiest, especially with it being natural. So it's not the easiest to manage on my own. That I have done that, back under my bonnet it goes until I am ready later. It's after 6 now, so I'm going to start the braiding process. So I have all my hair, I'll show you. Well, the first is a row set of hair right there, so I'm even got them little braiding right there. I know I never thought about it because my mom was doing my hair, so like I didn't think about getting a braiding rack for myself, but it is what it is. I'll get one for the new year. So I have my hair up in just a little bun at this current moment for right now. I'm going to section, you know, and then braid as I go along. I don't use much when it comes to braiding. I don't use a lot of things in my hair. My hair is already blown out, you know, moisturized and all that good stuff. All I use is just some Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner, just for like the scalp, because it's a hair and scalp conditioner. And I use just a little bit, just the tiniest bit of like hair gummy or hair wax, whatever you want to call it. This is my team so far. This is gonna do all of my hair. As I said, I use the tiniest bit because if I use too much of it, my hair is gonna start to flake and it's going to get itchy by the first week, and I don't like dealing with that. So I like to have a, when my hair is washed and it's clean and everything, and I don't use too much of like the gummy wax and all that stuff in there, my hair does not itch like at all. Like my hair doesn't itch when I do any of those things. So because when you put in the braids in your hair, if any of you wear braids, your hair itch by maybe week 2. Nope. And I figured out that it was because I was probably putting in too much of the wax and that stuff in my hair, which is why my hair used to itch me. I started putting in the smallest amount, and when I tell you I don't feel like itching on my ear until maybe the day after I pull out the braids, then I'm gonna start and my comb it out. I'm ready to wash my hair. That's it. I don't feel like itching my hair. So I'm gonna start now. For reference, I'll put a picture on the screen of what my hair looked like for when the time that I did it when mom had done it, because it looked so pretty. So that's what we're trying to do again this time. Yeah, that's what we're trying to do again this time. So I have my laptop right here. I'm finishing up Home Alone 2 first, and then I'll go watch something else. But I'm going into the night with this. Did I sleep already? No, but I'll live. I'm going into the night with this. I'm gonna try and see how far I can get. I work pretty fast, if I do say so myself. I work quite fast, so I'm gonna see how far I can get. I should have started earlier, but for life. So guys, it's 12:31. And I'm halfway through the hair, as you can see. I'm halfway through my hair. These are the curls at the end. Once I stand up properly, you can see them. But I'll show you guys like the finished product of it in the next vlog, because this is like a part 1, part 2 thing. So yeah. So I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight because I might go to bed soon, but I think I'm gonna do some more. So what I'm gonna do with this top half, which is basically I have about this much hair left back to do, and That was funny because I always underestimate how much hair I actually have when I'm braiding. I keep thinking to myself, oh, I can do this by that time or whatever, but it actually shocks me a lot more. But anyways, I'm gonna part this into two now, and then I'm gonna start on one side. I'm gonna see how far I reach. I know I'm not gonna finish tonight, but I'm gonna see how far I can reach, and then I'll finish up the rest tomorrow and just show you guys when it's done. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.